Hello and welcome to Let's Make It Vegan. In this week's episode, we will be preparing a vegan vegetable macaroni in a cheesy white sauce. It is a truly filling, healthy and delicious dish for the vegan family. Before we begin, please comment, like and subscribe. Supporting our channel on Patreon will enable us to improve the quality of our videos as well as enabling us to create more unique vegan recipes. Our Patreon link is in the description below. We have also listed the ingredients and the cooking instructions of this recipe in the description. First, let's fry some vegetables. In a large frying pan or skillet, heat the oil over medium heat and add the chopped onions and saute. And after a minute or two, add the garlic, then the bell pepper and celery. Saute until tender and then add the chopped tomato and cook until tender. Add salt and pepper to season and then add the mushrooms and saute until done. Add the cup vegetable stock and simmer for approximately 10 minutes. Mix 1 tablespoon brown onion soup powder in about half a cup of water and add to the mixture. Bring to a simmer and set aside. Now let's make the topping. Add a teaspoon dry thyme, a quarter teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon ground black pepper to the cup breadcrumbs and combine it well. Heat approximately 2 tablespoons olive oil in a frying pan to a medium heat and add a teaspoon minced garlic. Fry the garlic until the olive oil is completely flavored by the garlic. Use a small sieve and strain the olive oil to remove the garlic. Add the oil to the breadcrumb mixture and combine thoroughly with a fork until the crumbs are evenly saturated. Set the topping aside for the meantime. Now let's cook the pasta. In a large saucepan, add enough water, a pinch of salt and a dash of olive oil and bring to a boil. Add the pasta and boil for between 12 and 15 minutes until al dente. Now strain the pasta and set aside. In the meantime, let's prepare the white sauce. Mix the tapioca starch and the nutritional yeast in half a cup of plant-based milk and set aside to use later. Heat the vegan butter over a low heat until melted. Add the quarter cup all-purpose flour and beat with a whisk to make a creamy paste. Add the milk little by little to create the white sauce. Keep whisking until you have added all the milk. Then add 1 teaspoon dry thyme, some parsley, black pepper and a pinch of salt. Now add the tapioca and nutritional yeast mixture to the white sauce and combine. Set the white sauce aside to use later. Now we will combine the pasta and the vegetables. In a large mixing bowl, add the pasta, the cauliflower, the broccoli, the fried vegetables and the white sauce. Mix gently until the vegetables are mixed evenly with the white sauce and the pasta. Add the pasta mixture to an oven-safe pasta baking dish and even it out gently with the back of a spoon until compressed slightly but without flattening the macaroni tubes. Add the breadcrumbs and spread evenly as a topping. Bake the pasta in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade or approximately 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. Let the pasta rest for about 20 minutes before cutting into servings. Serve the pasta with a garnish salad and your favorite wine.